What is going on, guys? In today's video, I'm literally going to tell you what affiliate marketing is and how you can make money with it, man. Cue the intro. What is going on, guys? It is your boy Sean King, man. I'm here in my backyard, guys. I got the dogs in the background, beautiful back setting. But I want to tell you guys about affiliate marketing and what affiliate marketing is and how you can utilize it to make money online, guys. Now, before we get started, guys, I want you guys to hit the sub button and hit the subscriber button, because in today's video I'm literally going to show you how you can optimize and literally make money with affiliate marketing, guys. So definitely hit that subscribe button and you can literally follow me on Instagram, man. Affiliate marketing is basically a product, okay, that you promote, a digital product most likely, that you promote to customers online using social media. And once they click on your link, you literally can generate money, because if they buy that product, you get commission, okay? So that literally helps you guys out on a day-to-day basis. Follow me on social media, because I'm literally going to be putting up random things, random thoughts, okay, that can literally help you guys on a day-to-day basis. Now, one thing you have to know about affiliate marketing is anybody can do it, okay? Don't think because you're this old or you come from this background, everybody can do affiliate marketing, okay? A lot of people do affiliate marketing. A lot of people do a lot of drop shipping. A lot of people do a lot of things online that anybody can do just for the comfort of their home, okay? So you can get started today. Take action, okay? Listen to me, take action. Watch this. After watching this video, I want you guys to go on the computer and take action today, all right? But there literally are going to be ways that you can do this, okay? You can scale this into a six-figure business, okay? A lot of people are doing it, okay? So you can be that person that literally promotes products, okay, and makes commission off of it, okay? Now, it's really simple, but at the same time, guys, you have to put in the work. You have to put in the work, the hours, okay? And you have to make sure this is a profitable business for you guys, all right? Now, the 3 tips that I'm going to give you today literally can help you start your affiliate marketing business, okay? Now, the first tip is talking about finding the right niche, the right product, okay? Now, essentially, everybody thinks products like, cookbooks and foods and stuff like that is a good niche. Listen, the 3 biggest niches, all right, is health, wealth, and relationships, okay? Now, these 3 big niches can literally help you generate money forever, okay? Because everybody wants to be healthy, everybody wants to be wealthy, and everybody wants to be in a relationship, okay? So necessarily, those 3 niches right there literally are going to continue from day one, okay? Day one, like, literally find one of these niches, okay? Get one of these niches, right? And promote their products, okay? Find a good product from these niches and promote it, man. Now, there's a website called clickbank.com. You can literally find niches on there, and it will literally help you guys generate income online, okay? Now, number 2 method that I want to get into is something called traffic, okay? Getting free traffic. Now, if you guys don't know how to get free traffic, I'm definitely going to make a video about that. But just to give you an idea on how you can create your own free traffic, make a YouTube channel, guys. Like, you see what I'm doing? Make that YouTube channel, make that Instagram, make that Facebook, make anything that can get you free traffic, because once you have that free traffic, you might not have to pay for paid traffic, okay? So that's the best advice I can actually give you guys starting off on YouTube, So when you start off, guys, make sure you get that free traffic and make sure you find a niche that works for you, that you can promote. My suggestions to you guys is definitely health, wealth, and relationships, so definitely check that out. But let's get into number 3, guys, and at the end I'm gonna give you guys a bonus tip, by the way, so stay tuned for that. Watch the whole entire video, all right? But let's get right into it. The number three biggest thing, biggest advice I can give you is start email marketing, okay? Start collecting emails. Now, email marketing is different, okay? Like, you can literally capture people's emails, right? Build a landing page, all right? And once you build that landing page, have them opt in their email. And once they opt in their email, you can always continue to market to them. So that is the best advice I can give you guys. Now, if you want to know how to build a landing page, man, link in the description. It should be the first link, if not the second, okay? And that is called clickfunnels.com, where you can build landing pages, and it's literally awesome, guys. So I want you guys to start today, literally. Start doing what you have to do and start doing it with affiliate marketing, because affiliate marketing can literally help you guys on the regular, all right? Now, but if you guys are new to the channel and you don't know who I am and you want to know more about me, guys, click the link in the description, guys, because I'm literally going to give you guys my number one way with this free book, okay? It's literally going to give you the number one way on how you can utilize affiliate marketing and make money online to leave your 9 to 5, okay? Now, if you guys have any more questions, make sure you guys hit the comment section below. But actually, let me know what you guys want to do, man. Are you guys going to start building a niche-based Instagram? What do you guys want to do to start your affiliate marketing business, okay? Now, y'all know what time it is, man. It is your boy Sean King, man, and I'm out.